Here at MG Sign, we provide the highest standards in awning production. In this video, we're going to walk you through the full process of how we create beautiful, durable awnings using sunbrella fabric and precision-cut lettering to produce custom illuminated canopies. It all starts with a sketch. This sketch becomes the foundation for the entire awning. Once we've gathered all the specs, the project moves into design. Our in-house designer brings the sketch to life, creating a high-fidelity digital mock-up. This design includes layout, color schemes, branding, and any text the client wants displayed. The design is then sent to the client for approval, making sure they're 100% happy with how their awning will look. Now it's time to prepare the fabric. The fabric is carefully unrolled and measured according to the final design. Each panel is cut with precision to ensure a perfect fit. While the fabric is being prepared, we also inspect the frame. The frame is the structural backbone of any awning, so we make sure it's clean, sturdy, and in excellent condition. If needed, we weld or replace parts to guarantee long-term performance and safety. Next, we move on to sewing. This is where everything starts coming together. Using commercial-grade machines and UV-resistant thread, our technicians stitch the panels with careful attention to detail. Seams are reinforced to withstand wind, rain, and years of outdoor exposure. Once sewing is complete and all the fabric pieces are assembled, we attach the fabric to the frame. This is a critical step. Everything must be aligned and stretched evenly to create a smooth, professional finish. We secure the fabric tightly so it doesn't sag or ripple over time. Now we shift our focus to branding, specifically the lettering. Based on the approved design, we use a vinyl plotter to cut out the letters and graphics. These vinyl pieces are used as stencils for painting. The next step is carefully peeling and placing the vinyl onto the fabric. Before applying any paint, we always use a primer. This ensures that the paint bonds properly to the sunbrella surface and results in crisp, vibrant colors that won't fade or flake. Once primed, we apply the paint using specialized fabric-safe formulas designed for outdoor use. After the paint is dried, we peel away the vinyl to reveal sharp, clean lettering underneath. The results speak for themselves. High-contrast visuals that truly stand out. And that's it. From concept to completion, every step in our process is handled with precision and care. At MG Sign, we take pride in delivering perfect results every time.